How to get Grindr Premium. Hello everyone, welcome back to app tutorial. In this video I'll show you how you can get the Grindr Premium. So let's start. First of all, open the app and log into your account. After you log into your Grindr account, you'll come to the browse section like this. Now in order to get the Grindr Premium, go to the extra store option that you can see at the bottom right hand side. After that you'll get two options, one is extra and the other is unlimited. Both of them are the premium plans. So depending on what features you want, select the plan that you want to subscribe. The ultimate plan is the unlimited one. So let's go to unlimited for now. After that you can select if you want it for 1 month or 1 week. As you can read on the description, these are the features that you will get with the unlimited subscription. So if you are interested in these features, select the appropriate duration depending on how long you want it to use. After that, tap on continue. As you do that, it will ask you to add a payment method. Add a payment method and then make the payment in order to complete the transaction. After you make the transaction, the premium features will be applied on your account. So in this way, you can easily get Grindr Premium. That's it for the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for further similar videos and drop a like if you found this helpful.